Very pretty.
Thank you.
So, Shefali, let's start, please.
Yes. First of all, good evening, everyone. Myself, Shefali. I'm born and brought up in Karnal, Haryana, and I'm graduate in electronics and communication engineering. And I'm working in Xiaomi. And if I talk about my hobbies, and that includes singing. I'm not a professional one, but I can sing well. I can entertain well. And apart from this, I'm always look forward to learn new things that can enhance my confidence. And I'm a food lover too. And lastly, I will say that life is very beautiful, and we should live our life to the fullest. And it's a wonderful creation of God, and I'm very thankful to God. Thank you.
Hi, you are looking very pretty.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You all are looking very pretty, and sir is looking handsome.
Thank you so much. Okay, just want to know that why are you into it? Like why you want to choose modeling?
Actually, ma'am, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ इस बारे में कि since my childhood, actually whenever I was in school, I didn't get any opportunity to do anything like that. And maybe you can say that I didn't get any support at that time. And so I think age is not a matter, and your marital status is not a matter. And whenever you get a chance, you should do it. That's all.
Okay, thank you. And I just want to give you an advice. Advice or just like that your smile is really good and while talking you were smiling thoroughly and you made an eye contact really well. So all the very best. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Shefali.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Tell me, Shefali, what are the three things you want to change about yourself?
Yes.
Did you get my question?
No, I didn't get. Maybe
Okay.
because
I want to ask you that what are the three things which you want to change about yourself?
actually the first and foremost thing is my anger. I'm so much aggressive by nature, and instantly react over the things. And after some time, when I'm cool, then I think that I shouldn't behave like this. And I'm a complete chatterbox. As my friend always say that you should also be a good listener. You always keep saying and saying and saying. So I think also change this habit. And lastly, you know, I'm I'm not able to carry my things properly. No, I live like cool boys, and my things always my room is always messy. So I'm mother also, but everybody say that you are behave like kid, you are a kid. So I think I should change. I must change these three things about me.
Okay, great. I like your honesty.
Yes, I'm honest too. Nobody understands this.
Okay, thank you.
ये चीजें घर
Thank
वालों
you,
के लिए
ma'am.
चाहे प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो, बट अदरवाइज एज अ पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट दे शुड बी देयर.
Yes.
जितना केयर फ्री रहो, टेंशन फ्री रहो, उतनी लाइफ बढ़ती है.
Yes. That's why I'm always cool.
गुड. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Yeah, Shefali,
Yes, ma'am.
which celebrity do you idolize?
Nora Fateh.
Okay, and why? Why only her?
Her dance moves, the way she presents herself, she's damn confident, the way she dress up herself, and she's very, elegant too. So I admire her.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's start round 2. Shefali.
Yes, sure. Can I play the music?
Sure.
ਜਦੋਂ ਪਾਏ ਆਈ ਤੂੰ ਤੱਕੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਕੇ ਆਈ ਤੂੰ ਤੱਕੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਬੜਦੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਾਰ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਲੁਕਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ
Ma'am, please wait for 1 second. Yes.
Okay, good. So jury members, any last comments for Shefali?
Hi, Shifali.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. You look very pretty.
Thank you, ma'am.
How old you are?
Ma'am, I'm 30 years old.
Okay. And mommy of one baby, right?
Yes, one beautiful daughter.
Okay, nice, nice. You look cool, mommy, right?
Yes, I am.
Like always and stay strong. I really like your confidence and the way you talks and your honesty, as
Yeah.
Dr. Chika said.
But sometimes people don't understand. I'm very clear-hearted. Actually, whatever is here, it's मैं वही बोलती हूँ जो मेरे दिल के अंदर है. बस, that's all.
ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. No worry. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Shifali.
Hello, ma'am.
मेरे को आपका सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगा. Just an advice, just work on your walk and take break. Like while posing, just take a second or 2-3 seconds break and then walk and good postures. So that's all, just because rest things are
Definitely,
good
I'll
with you.
take care of it.
Keep smiling, keep positive, and you'll rock
Thank
it.
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, Shefali, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Uh,
sir.
and the
And
last-
lastly, I also want to say something that first of all, I want to thank all of you because of giving such a wonderful opportunity for all of us, those who want to come forward in this direction and want to showcase our talent. Thank you.
Most welcome.